Kia ora. We're going to talk about monohybrid test crosses. This question came from the 2018 NCA paper, and in the second part down here you can see that this is the test cross part of the question. The clues that I used to help me decide it was a test cross is this word here, breeder, so anything breeding plants, flowers, animals, and pure breeding. That means homozygous. It doesn't matter if it's homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive. In this case, it's about rose comb chickens. So the comb is the top part of the head, and rose comb is capital R, so it is dominant. And this breeder wants a rose combed chicken. So what we do is, first of all, you have to define true breeding. So that would be homozygous recessive or homozygous dominant. You need to write a definition for genotype. And then it says to use a Punnett square to help you explain, and then explain how the breeder could be confident. So when you're doing a test cross, you always cross the uncertain organism with homozygous recessive. Okay, so then we're going to use some if-then statements. Okay, so if the uncertain chicken, because it's a chicken, oops, is this homozygous dominant, then, so we're going to have little r, bigger, bigger, all offspring will be heterozygous, and what will the phenotype be that they will show? And the phenotype will be rose comb. Okay. Next statement, if chicken is heterozygous, then still crossing that chicken with a homozygous recessive, 50% will be phenotype rose, genotype heterozygous, and phenotype, what's the opposite of rose? What does it say? Single. Single, and genotype homozygous recessive. So this isn't the only answer to the question. We have to go back here and answer this last part. And the last part of the question says, explain when the breeder would be confident of the chicken's genotype. So this is the one that the breeder wants to use. So you need to write a little statement about that. Okay? All right. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. That is the last part of the answer to this part here. All right. Good luck.